Have you ever wondered how paint is made in a factory? From the colorful walls in our homes to cars, furniture, and buildings, paint is everywhere in our daily lives. In today's video, we'll take you inside a paint manufacturing factory and show you the complete step-by-step process, from raw materials to the final packed paint cans ready for the market. So stay with us till the end to discover how liquid color turns into the perfect paint you use every day. The paint manufacturing process begins with the selection of raw materials. Paint is mainly made from 4 key components: pigments for color, binders for durability, solvents to control thickness, additives to improve performance. Each ingredient is carefully measured to ensure consistent quality, color accuracy, and long-lasting performance. In this stage, pigments are mixed with a portion of solvent and binders. This pre-mixing helps break down pigment particles and prepares them for proper dispersion. Large industrial mixers rotate at controlled speeds to ensure an even blend. This step is crucial for achieving smooth texture and vibrant color. Now the mixture moves to the grinding and dispersion stage. Here, high-speed machines grind the pigment particles into extremely fine sizes. The finer the particles, the smoother and more uniform the paint becomes. This process directly affects paint quality, finish, and color consistency. After grinding, the paint enters the let-down mixing stage. Additional binders, solvents, and additives are added to achieve the desired thickness, shine, and drying time. Different formulations are used for interior paint, exterior paint, industrial coatings, automotive paints. Each batch is mixed precisely according to its intended use. Before packaging, the paint goes through strict quality control tests. Technicians check color accuracy, viscosity, drying time, adhesion strength, gloss level. Only paint that meets industry standards is approved for packaging. Any batch that fails is corrected or rejected. Once approved, the paint is filtered to remove impurities and unwanted particles. It is then transferred to storage tanks where it is kept under controlled conditions to maintain freshness and stability. This ensures the paint performs perfectly when used by customers. Now comes the packaging stage. Automated machines fill paint into cans, buckets, or drums of various sizes. Each container is sealed tightly to prevent leakage and contamination. Labels are applied with important details like color code, batch number, manufacturing date, usage instructions. Before leaving the factory, finished paint products undergo a final inspection. The cans are packed into cartons and prepared for distribution to dealers, retailers, and construction sites. And that's how paint is manufactured in a factory, a perfect combination of science, technology, and precision. If you enjoyed this factory process video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing